Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fundamentals: a stable network, automatic date/time, and at least some free storage so installs can proceed. Once done, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Do the same for Google Play Services. This forces a fresh connection and removes corrupted metadata. Make sure to restart the device after clearing, reboots reinitialize services and DNS resolution. So don't skip that step before moving on to account fixes. Next, you address account and network layers that commonly block results. Remove your Google account and add it back to force a profile sync. This resolves token and permission mismatches. Make sure any VPN or proxy is off or switch DNS to Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 to bypass ISP caching. Then open Play Store and let Google Play Services update. Grant storage and network permissions if requested. These steps restore proper authentication and network routing for search. Finish by repairing the Play Store app itself. If searches still show no results, uninstall Play Store updates from the app info to revert to factory. If needed, sideload the latest official Play Store APK from a trusted source. Once done, test in safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If search works there, uninstall the offending app. If all else fails, create a new device user profile or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Tip: try safe mode first. It often reveals the culprit with.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.